What's up YouTube, it's Andrew again. Today we're working on this 100 Series Land Cruiser. I'm going to show you a couple tips and tricks for how to get these off. So this is the splined hub. This is what the drive goes through. I've backed off these 14mm nuts to just below flush. And the issue is these little cone washers, they get stuck down in here and they're pretty soft metal, so you don't want to reach in here with some pliers. The preferred way is to use a brass punch, put it right on top. Just give it a couple till it comes out. You see it kind of jump. There we go, those are both loose. If you don't have a brass punch, another way is to do two hammers. So you can put one hammer on it and whack it. Okay. Go back to the preferred method here, make sure we got all of these loose. All looking pretty good to me. Now, when you go to get these out, let's see if we'll use this one as an example. Take the nut and the washer off. Now sometimes these things are hard to get out. It gets caught in the threads. You'll also find that they're loose like this. So when you go back together, put two nuts on this stud and torque it back down so it's in there tight. But in order to get that off without screwing it up, my preferred method is to use a pocket screwdriver, stick it right in that little crack, twist it a little bit, grab it on the edge, and just kind of wiggle it out. And then they'll come right out. Again, two nuts on this, torque it back in so it's not loose. You don't want these loose. This is where all the power for these 100 series come through. 80 series is similar to this, but it's a burr field. You get the idea. Hopefully this helps you out. Have a good day. Hey, it's Andrew again. While I'm still filming here, I'm going to show a little bit of an aside here. Another technique, and you can see somebody's done it, is they've actually chosen to hit the side over here. But you can see how that beats that flange all up. Whacking straight on the end of the stud here is definitely my preferred method because less potential for damage to the vehicle itself.